Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkanna. My mobile number 630-5826-909. Today I want to discuss the problem of transmission lines. So here problem is an open wire transmission line having a characteristic impedance of 600 ohm is terminated by load of 900 ohm. Calculate the standing wave ratio and give an arrangement for single step matching. So here first of all we have to write down given data. Given data is characteristic impedance 600 ohms and load impedance is equal to load impedance here it is indicated with ZR, ZL. So I am representing with Z suffix R, that is equal to 900 ohm, and find out, calculate the standing wave ratio. What is standing wave ratio? And give an arrangement for single step matching. First of all, I want to find out voltage standing wave ratio. So here voltage standing wave ratio formula is VSWR. Voltage standing wave ratio is equal to 1 plus reflection coefficient by 1 minus reflection coefficient. So this is the formula for the voltage standing wave ratio. So we have to find out, first of all, for the determination of voltage standing wave ratio, we have to find out reflection coefficient. So reflection coefficient is equal to ZR minus Z0 by ZR plus Z0. So here ZR is the load impedance minus characteristic impedance by load impedance plus characteristic impedance, that is equal to ZR 900 minus Z0 600 by 900 plus 600. So therefore rho is equal to reflection coefficient is equal to 900 minus 600. So 300 by 900 plus 600, 1500. Zeros cancel. 3 5 15. So the answer is 1 by 5. So therefore reflection coefficient is equal to 1 by 5. Then by using the reflection coefficient we have to find out voltage standing wave ratio. This is the equation for solution. This is the formula for reflection voltage standing wave ratio. So voltage standing wave ratio is equal to 1 plus rho. 1 plus rho means 1 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus rho. 1 minus 1 by 5, that is equal to, so 5 plus 1 6 by 5 by 5 minus 1 4 by 5. 5 by cancel and 2 3s are 2 2s are, so that is equal 3 by 2. So voltage standing wave ratio is 3 by 2. VSWR is equal to 3 by 2. So this is the value of voltage standing wave ratio. So next we have to find out the arrangement for single stub matching. Arrangement for single stub matching. First of all, we have to note down the stub, where the stub is placed on transmission lines. First of all, we have to note down the block diagram of stub, single stub. Next, we have to find out the arrangement for single stub matching. So, stub is the a piece of transmission line which is placed near to the load impedance for the impedance matching. So, this is the main transmission line. This is main transmission line. So this is the source impedance and this is the characteristic impedance. So this is ZR, load impedance. So this is the stub, a piece of transmission line parallelly connected to the main transmission line for impedance matching. When the impedance matching, the maximum power is transferred from source to the load. So in this arrangement, so LS is the position of the stub from the load. So here the LS is the position of the stub and LT is the length of the stub. So in this we have to find out LS is the position of stub and LT is the length of the stub. So in this arrangement we have to find out first of all LS and LT. So then this is called as arrangement for single stub matching. So here the formula for first of all we have to find out LS, position of the stub. LS is equal to lambda by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of ZR by Z naught, that is load impedance by characteristic impedance. So here LS is equal to lambda by 2 pi into tan inverse of square root of Z 900 by 600. Two zeros cancel, 3 2s, 3 3s. So LS is equal to lambda by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of 3 by 2. 3 by 2 index, that is 1.5. Tan inverse of 1.5, square root of 1.5. So after calculating this value, so lambda is not given. Note this, lambda value is not given. So we can calculate pi value. In the pi we have to substitute 3.14 and to tan inverse of root of 1.5. So by using the calculator, after calculating this value LS is equal to 0.140. LS is equal to 0.140 lambda. So this is the position of this stub. This is position of the stub. Next we have to find out. So from the load to the stub, the position where the stub is placed from the transmission line load to in this side load to the source side. So at the distance 0.140 lambda, at the distance of 0.14 lambda, the stub is placed. Then the maximum power is transferred from source to load. Then the impedance matching is possible. Next we have to find out the length of the transmission, length of the stub, LT. Then LT, length of this stub, LT is equal to lambda by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of Z naught by ZR minus Z naught. So this is the formula for the length of the transmission, length of the stub, single stub. LT is equal lambda by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of ZR into Z naught by ZR minus Z naught. Here ZR is the load impedance 900 into Z naught is the 600 characteristic impedance. Then the values are substituted in this equation. Then LT is equal to lambda by 2 pi tan inverse of square root of ZR. ZR is equal to 900 into 600 by 900 minus 600. So then LT, length of the stub, is equal to lambda by 2 pi into tan inverse of square root of by 300. Then after calculation, this value becomes LT is equal to 0.1881 lambda. So this is the length of stub. This is length of stub. So here we have to substitute these values. Length of the stub, LS is equal to LS, length of the, here this is the length of the stub 0.0, here LT is equal to 0.1881 lambda, and position of the LS, position of the stub, LS is equal to 0.140 lambda. So therefore here this is the arrangement for single stub matching. So here LS is the position of stub, LT is the length of the stub. LS is equal to 0.140 lambda distance from the load, and that is the position of stub, and LT is the length of the stub, that is 0.1881 lambda. So this is arrangement for single stub matching. So for daily classes and for any updates, subscribe my channel. My channel name is Electronics for Gate by Kota Venkanna. Thank you.